And I know you brought your go bag.
Yeah.
I also made you a go bag of snacks I love, things that I'm truly obsessed with.
Okay, so do you want to do...
Let's do yours.
Should we just start with the food, which is usually what I like to do?
All right, we'll start with mine. First of all, this is the most masculine of my food storage totes I chose for you.
There's no picture of you on the back?
No, there's no picture of me.
Okay.
But these are great. They keep hot food hot or cold food cold.
Yeah.
And I filled it with literally snacks that I'm obsessed with. You know, bone broth is so trendy, and then I started drinking it, and I'm like, it really is amazing. It's delicious. I mean, we make stock in a box, but bone broth is great for you, and it's easy to take on a plane, and they can just pop it into the mic. So bone broth, that's the first
bone
thing.
broth.
Bone broth. I'm an upstate girl. I go nowhere without jerky.
I don't either.
Jerky loving freak.
My producer's gonna love this, by the way. She loves jerky.
My husband's favorite is round jerky meat sticks. So these are all natural meat sticks. It's his favorite.
You're gonna hear about that passenger on the plane who got taken off the plane because he had 2 boxes of jerky. That'll be me. This is amazing.
Justin's.
Yes.
I love their almond butter. I usually buy the dark chocolate. Justin's version of a Reese cup, but I figure you probably want to stay healthier, so there's just the little spreads you can put them on holy toast.
It's the protein.
My mother tells me to always have some instant oatmeal with me, so a good organic instant oatmeal. And granola. This is my friend Jeanette's favorite granola. So
Jeanette.
If you want crunchy.
So I gotta write to your mom about the oatmeal, Jeanette about the...
Now this I'm truly obsessed with. They're called Hippies, hip peas. They are chickpea puffs that taste like cheese doodles.
I mean, do we have to wait?
They are high protein. You have to try
let's just do it
these.
right now.
These are so, I'm obsessed.
Let's just pretend we're on assignment.
I am obsessed. I have a million of these little baggies. I'll replace them. They taste like cheese puffs.
They're amazing.
But they're high protein and they're made out of chickpeas. How about that? All right. Now, Churio, show me what you really do take.
So honestly, there's nothing edible in this bag. So, you know, I just want to point out how predictable, and people on social media now, they're like, okay, they know the boots. I've been wearing them for 10 years. I just have them resold like once a year.
And that's the point in buying good boots. You can resole them.
Yep. I literally had someone, I think, on Instagram the other day say, I think there are now holes in that black T-shirt you wear at every disaster. Yeah, there are. Okay. So I can't believe I've never done this on television before, but this is the gel that. Wait. Obviously, I need more.
I was going to say.
This is used, but this stuff, I can put my hair once a year and it won't move for a year. It's amazing. It's amazing.
You do need another one, though, but give me that. I love...
It's called Got to Be.
I would love to live with you because, look, he squishes up the toothpaste tube correctly. I know this is hair gel, but look, see, he's used it properly.
I used this morning to get the last. And listen, I was in the changing room. I grabbed my bag and I saw something else in the changing room that I keep over in the newsroom.
Yep.
And this I can't take on the road, obviously, because it's a liquid and it's in glass. But I have to tell you the story behind this. This is the cologne I still wear to this day. Yes, Abercrombie. Okay, but
God, David.
Can I tell you why, though?
Yes.
Can I tell you? There's a reason. And I'm really upset that they used my picture for this. I was like,
you were looking a little flabby that day.
I know. I was like, you know, I need more of the team. But years ago, I was filling in on Good Morning America with Diane Sawyer, who is my dear friend to this day. Yeah, one of the best humans on the planet. And I filled in one morning next to her, and of course that, you know, it's Diane Sawyer sitting next to you saying Good Morning America. The next morning, I'm doing a week with her, and it's the next morning. She comes into the office that I'm getting ready to go on, and she just kind of walks in, and she leans over, and she goes, "What is that?" She goes, "I've been thinking about it since yesterday."
Check, please.
So,
yeah, I get it.
So I have worn this cologne ever since. Diane Sawyer.
Oh, yeah.
Diane Sawyer.
Give me a little.
You're going to smell that.
I smell good for Diane. ABC World News Tonight with David Muir, weeknights at 6:30 on ABC in 2020. How many years now for 2020?
40 years.
40 years. It airs tonight at 10 p.m. on ABC. I adore you.
I love you, babe.
Mwah.